How to make AI videos with Seedance 2.0 and Nano Banana 2.0. Now, AI video generation in 2026 has crossed a threshold. The best tools available right now don't produce content that looks like AI generation with its illicit artifacts, okay? They produce content that tell it was deliberately directed and shot. Now, Seedance 2 and Nano Banana 2 are two of the tools responsible for that specific shift, and they work together in a workflow that takes you from concept to a finished, polished AI video more efficiently than any single tool can manage alone. Now, Seedance 2.0 handles video generation, producing cinematic, high quality video clips from text prompts or even image inputs. Nano Banana handles the creative direction layer, helping you develop concepts, generate prompts that produce the best Seedance output, and organize the visual ideas that make a video coherent rather than a collection of impressive but disconnected clips. Now, understanding both tools individually and understanding how to use them together is what this tutorial actually covers. By the end, you will have a repeatable workflow for producing AI video content that's genuinely high quality and genuinely efficient. Now, Seedance 2.0 is ByteDance's AI video generation model, the same company behind TikTok. And version 2.0 represents a significant quality jump from its predecessor. The key improvements are in motion consistency, physics accuracy, and the handling of human subjects. Now, motion consistency was the primary weakness of 1.0. Generated videos would look great in the first second and then show artifacts as motion continued. Limbs moving incorrectly, backgrounds shifting inconsistently, objects changing size or shape as they moved through the frame. Seedance 2.0 handles sustained motion dramatically better, and a walking figure stays proportionally correct across multiple seconds. Water is going to move with a lot of physical accuracy as well, and camera motion is going to feel so much more consistent than random. The handling of human subjects specifically has improved as well, and it's improved enough to produce content featuring AI generated people that is credible in a social media context at normal viewing speed. This is what enables UGC style ad videos, explainer content with presenters, and lifestyle content use cases that 1.0 struggled with. Seedance 2.0 accepts two types of inputs: text to video, that is generation from a written prompt, and image to video, which is literally generation that animates a static image that you provide. Image to video is often the more controllable input method because you can generate or source exactly the visual you want and then go ahead and animate it rather than trying to describe everything in a text prompt. Now, Nano Banana 2.0 is an AI creative tool that is literally designed specifically for visual content production. It combines image generation with creative workflow assistance, helping you develop visual concepts, generate images that can serve as inputs for video generation, and produces prompt variations systematically. Now, in the context of a Seedance workflow, Nano Banana 2.0 serves two specific roles. First off, it generates the source images for Seedance's image to video pipeline. You describe the scene you want, and Nano Banana generates a high quality image of it, and the image becomes the first frame that Seedance animates. The image to video approach gives you much more control over the starting visual than text to video alone provides. Secondly, Nano Banana 2.0 functions as a prompt development tool. Effective Seedance prompts have a specific structure. They describe subject, the action, the camera motion, the lighting, etc. Nano Banana 2.0 can help you develop and iterate on prompts systematically, generating variations and helping you identify which elements of a prompt are you looking for. So, the workflow that produces best results combine tools in a specific sequence. So, the first and foremost step, concept development. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and jump straight into Nano Banana 2, which is obviously operated on the Gemini portal. Now, over here, you're going to start with a description of the video you want to create. Now the subject matter and everything. So over here, I'm gonna come right over to our Gemini and I'm gonna be like, I want to create a video of a man flying to the moon on a Pegasus wearing a, let's say, Winnie the Pooh onesie. And let's go ahead with the shot is a direct reference of E.T. famous moon shot, and the ambience needs to be dark and let's say rustic. Then let's go ahead with something like giving it a story if you want to. Now Nano Banana helps you develop this into a shot by shot breakdown. So what you're going to do is of course ask it to give me a good shot by shot. Now, identifying what each clip in the video needs to show and what camera style and lighting would be best to serve each shot for a 30-second, you can see it gives you the different shots that gives you the proper, aesthetics and collaborations that you need. So you can see you have shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, shot 4, and shot 5. So for a 30-second product video, this might be 5 to 8 distinct clips, which is pretty incredible. So the second step would be source image generation. So for each shot, use Nano Banana 2.0 to generate the source image. So you can write generate source image for shot 1. Okay, you can write that in. And once you write that in, Nano Banana gets to work. And just like this, you can keep on prompting it to generate the multiple shots for you. So as we can see, this is our first shot. So the gathering storm. And this is our gathering storm. Now shot 2. And just as so, you can keep on going ahead and prompting it to generate. So once that is done, step 3 would be Seedance animation. So take each of these images into Seedance. So let's say I'm going to download this right here. And once we have downloaded this for ourselves, we can come over to Seedance, go to image video. We're going to put this video right here, okay? And we're going to hit generate. And of course, once you hit generate, what happens from there is you can describe the motion you want, and you can keep on adding different frames for yourself as you go on. So there you can see a man in the Winnie the Pooh costume with a Pegasus, etc. You get the gist of it. So once all that is done, you can give it a proper prompt. You can tell it what you want, tell it the type of working you want. And once your images have been generated, there's assembly and finishing. So import your generated clips into a video editor like CapCut, DaVinci, or even Premiere, and assemble them in a proper sequence. You can add transitions, music, voiceover if needed, captions, and any graphical elements. Now, the quality gap between a weak Seedance prompt and a strong one is larger than most new users expect. So follow a proper workflow, and this should work fine for you. Seedance and Nano Banana together form a video production workflow that produces genuinely impressive results for creators who understand how to use them together. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.